I wake up early every day. I wake up early every day. I brush my teeth every morning. I brush my teeth every morning. I wash my face every morning. I wash my face every morning. I comb my hair before school. I comb my hair before school. I drink water after waking up. I drink water after waking up. I make my bed every day. I make my bed every day. I open the window slowly. I open the window slowly. I close the door quietly. I close the door quietly. I wear my shoes quickly. I wear my shoes quickly. I walk to the kitchen. I walk to the kitchen. I cook breakfast every morning. I cook breakfast every morning. I eat rice with my family. I eat rice with my family. I cut vegetables carefully. I cut vegetables carefully. I wash the dishes after dinner. I wash the dishes after dinner. I clean my room every weekend. I clean my room every weekend. I study English every night. I study English every night. I read a storybook slowly. I read a storybook slowly. I write in my notebook daily. I write in my notebook daily. I listen to English songs. I listen to English songs. I watch cartoons on YouTube. I watch cartoons on YouTube.